What is to be form's past? That is was, were. And what is to be form's future? That is will be and shall be. And like I am happy is a to be form's present. I was happy is a to be form's past. And I shall be happy or I will be happy, it is a to be form's future. All right. So good evening everybody, and today we are going to work on degrees of adjectives. Degrees of adjectives. And in the degrees of adjectives we are going to work on degrees. So there are mainly 4 degrees in English. There are mainly 4 degrees in English. Which are the 4 degrees? Like positive degree, that is fast. Fast is a positive degree. And positive degree second. Positive degree talks about the general adjectives, general adjective like fast. Okay, it means Vegwan. Only this is a general statement. But positive degree second talks about the similarity between two things or two places or two persons. So that is called positive degree second. Like Suzuki is as fast as Honda. So as fast as talks about the similarity. As fast as talks about the similarity. All right, similarity between two persons, two things. Like Suzuki is as fast as Honda. म्हणजे सुझुकी होंडा इतकीच वेगवान आहे. As fast as. अक्षय कुमार is as tall as अमिताभ. So अक्षय कुमार अमिताभ इतकाच उंच आहे. My brother is as rich as my sister. माझा भाऊ माझ्या बहिणी इतकाच श्रीमंत आहे. My country is as developed as Sri Lanka. माझी कंट्री श्रीलंका इतकीच डेव्हलप्ड आहे. So as fast as talks about the similarity between two things, two places or two persons. Then we use as fast as. And in comparative degree, one is better than other. In comparative degree we talk about one is better than other. Like faster than it means that is a comparative degree. Faster than it means that is a comparative degree. And in super, like Suzuki is faster than Honda. म्हणजे सुझुकी होंडा पेक्षा जास्त वेगवान आहे. माय ब्रदर इज रिचर दॅन माय फादर. माझा भाऊ माझ्या वडिलांच्या पेक्षा जास्त श्रीमंत आहे. माय सिस्टर इज मोर क्वालिफाईड दॅन माय फ्रेंड. माझी बहीण माझ्या फ्रेंड पेक्षा जास्त क्वालिफाईड आहे. माय सिस्टर इज मोर ब्युटिफुल दॅन माय आंट. माझ्या आंट पेक्षा माझी सिस्टर जास्त सुंदर आहे. Okay, she is more talkative than my wife. ती माझ्या बायकोपेक्षा जास्त टॉकेटिव्ह आहे. सो दिस इज एकापेक्षा जास्त असणे यासाठी दॅट वी यूज कंपॅरेटिव्ह डिग्री. सो दॅट इज सुझुकी इज फास्टर दॅन होंडा. म्हणजे दॅन जो शब्द आहे तो फक्त कंपॅरेटिव्ह डिग्री मध्ये वापरला जातो. पॉझिटिव्ह डिग्री, सुपरलेटिव्ह डिग्री मध्ये वापरला जात नाही, हे लक्षात ठेवा. बिकॉज वी मेक अ लॉट ऑफ मिस्टेक्स युजिंग दॅन. ओके, नेक्स्ट. In superlative degree, we use superior things. If you want to talk about superior things, superior place, superior persons, then we use superlative. म्हणजे सर्वात जास्त त्याला तुलनाच होऊ शकत नाही, त्याला कंपॅरिझनच होऊ शकत नाही. When that thing, that person or that place is not comparable, then we use superlative degree. It means it has a superiority than other things. So here we do not use than. Superlative degree मध्ये than वापरायचं नाही. इथं काय वापरायचं? द वापरायचं आणि est वापरायचं. This is the fastest vehicle in India. ही इंडियातील सर्वात जास्त वेगवान वाहन आहे. Okay, the same you can say my brother is the richest businessman in my family. माझ्या फॅमिलीमध्ये माझा भाऊ हा सर्वात श्रीमंत बिझनेसमॅन आहे. My uncle is the most famous. इथं the most famous. My uncle is the most famous politician in my city. माझे काका हे माझ्या सिटीमध्ये सर्वात जास्त प्रसिद्ध राजकारणी आहेत. Understand? So in this way we are working on it. Just repeat after me so we can practice the words.
Okay, sir.
Comparison and something. Okay, just repeat after me. Fast.
Fast.
As fast as.
As fast as.
Faster than.
Faster than.
The fastest.
The fastest.
So this is not a listening class. So please repeat after me, everybody. Strong.
Strong.
As strong as.
As strong as.
Stronger than.
Stronger than.
The strongest.
The strongest.
Tall.
Tall.
As tall as.
As tall as.
Taller than.
Taller than.
The tallest.
The tallest.
Young.
Young.
As young as.
As young as.
Younger than.
Younger than.
The youngest.
The youngest.
Now Ronak. Brave.
Brave.
As brave as.
As brave as.
Braver than.
Braver than.
The bravest.
The bravest.
Close.
Close.
As close as.
As close as.
Closer than.
Closer than.
The closest.
The closest.
Ganesh. Late.
Late.
As late as.
As late as.
Later than.
Later than.
The latest.
The latest.
Dry.
Dry.
As dry as.
As dry as.
Drier than.
Drier than.
The driest.
The driest.
Early.
Early.
As early as.
As early as.
Earlier than.
Earlier than.
The earliest.
The earliest.
Sunita ji. Easy.
Easy.
As easy as.
As easy as.
Earlier. Easier than.
Easier than.
The easiest.
The easiest.
Big.
Big.
As big as.
As big as.
Bigger than.
Bigger than. Bigger than.
The biggest.
The biggest. The biggest.
Okay. Vinayak ji. Hot.
Hot.
As hot as.
As hot as.
Hotter than.
Hotter than.
The hottest.
The hottest.
Sad.
Sad.
As sad as.
As sad as.
Sadder than.
Sadder than.
The saddest.
The saddest.
Slow.
Slow.
As slow as.
As slow as.
Slower than.
Slower than.
The slowest.
The slowest.
Lax.
Lax.
As lax as.
As lax as.
Laxer than.
Laxer than.
The laxest.
The laxest.
Got it?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now we are
What's
making
the
the
meaning of
sentences.
lax?
Now lax, it means shitil, kamzor. Okay. Suzuki is Suzuki fast. Okay. Is, was, and will be. We are using is, was. Sorry, we are using only is. Is Suzuki fast? Is Suzuki as fast as Honda? Is Suzuki faster than Honda? And is Suzuki the fastest vehicle in India? Okay, in this way. All right. Who is going to make the questions? Is just repeat after me. Aman. Is Khali strong?
Is Khali strong?
Is Khali as strong as Salman?
Is Khali as strong as Salman?
Is Khali stronger than Salman?
Is Khali stronger than Salman?
Is Khali the strongest actor in India?
Is Khali the strongest actor in India?
Got it? In this way, you are making the questions. Once again, I am going to repeat. Yuvraj, repeat after me. Is Amitabh tall? Unmute Karachi. Is Amitabh tall?
Is Amitabh tall?
Is Amitabh as tall as Salman?
Is Amitabh as tall as Salman?
Is Amitabh taller than Salman?
Is Amitabh taller than Salman?
Is Amitabh the tallest actor in Bollywood?
Is Amitabh tallest actor in Bollywood?
Okay, very good. Amol Jagdar, make the questions. Is Suzuki fast? Now start.
Is
And raise
Suzuki
your hands,
fast?
please.
Is Suzuki fast? Is Suzuki as fast as Honda? Is Suzuki faster than Honda? Is Suzuki the fastest than Honda? Is Suzuki the fastest in India?
Okay,
Is
fastest in
Suzuki the
India.
fastest?
म्हणजे सुपरलेटिव्ह मध्ये ध्यान वापरायचं नाही. All right. Yeah, Aman,
Yes,
make the
sir.
questions. Is Khali strong? Aman.
Is Khali strong? Is Khali stronger than Salman?
No. Is Khali as strong as Salman? That is the second. Positive
Yes,
degree
sir.
1 is fast. Positive degree second is as fast as. Comparative degree is faster than. And superlative is the fastest.
Okay, sir. Is Khali as strong as Salman? Is Khali stronger than Salman? Is Khali strongest?
Is Khali the strongest actor
Yes,
in
sir.
India?
Is Khali the strongest actor in India?
Is Amitabh tall?
Is Amitabh tall as Akshay? Is
Wait a minute. This is the first. Is Amitabh tall is the first degree. Is Amitabh as tall as Akshay is the second degree. Got it? Make it again.
Is Amitabh tall?
Correct.
Is Amitabh tall as Akshay?
No. Is Amitabh as tall as?
Is Amitabh tall? Is Amitabh as tall as Akshay? Is Amitabh taller than Akshay? Is Amitabh tallest actor in Bollywood?
Okay, Nachiket. Is your sister? Is my sister young?
Is my sister young? Is my sister as young as my brother? Is my sister taller than my brother?
Younger than my.
Is my sister younger than my brother? Is my sister the tallest?
The youngest
The tallest
girl in my house.
tallest girl in my house.
Okay. Is Salman brave?
Salman brave.
Hmm.
Is Salman brave? Is Salman as brave as Akshay? Is Salman as braver?
Braver than.
Is Salman braver than Akshay? Is Salman the bravest actor in Bollywood?
Very good. Sunita. Is
Yes.
Karvenagar close?
Okay. Is Karvenagar close? Is Karvenagar as close as
Deccan.
Deccan? Okay. Is Karvenagar closer than Deccan? Is Karvenagar closest?
The closest.
Sorry. Is Karvenagar the closest Deccan?
Closest from the
Deccan.
city. Okay, fine. Is train bus? Is train late? Is train late?
Is train late? Is train as late as bus? Is train later than bus? Is train the
latest at the bus stop or in the city? Okay. And okay, Aradhna ji.
Yes, sir.
Is Maharashtra dry?
Okay. Is Maharashtra dry? Is Maharashtra as dry as? Is drier?
Is Maharashtra as dry as Bihar? Bolo.
Is Maharashtra as drier as Bihar? Is
Maharashtra drier than Bihar?
Drier than Bihar? Is Maharashtra driest the Bihar?
Driest. The driest in India.
Okay, driest in India.
Okay. Ronak. Is aeroplane early?
Is aeroplane early? Is aeroplane as early as train? Is aeroplane earlier than a train? Is aeroplane the earliest in
the
India?
city? In the city.
In the city.
Okay. Is English easy?
Is English easy? Is English as easy as Marathi? Is English
Everybody is
Easier
making the
than
sentences. It is not a
Marathi.
listening class.
Is English the easiest language in Maharashtra?
Okay, very good. Good job. Avedna, is Mumbai big?
Okay. Is Mumbai big? Is Mumbai as big Pune?
Is as big as Pune.
As Pune? Is Mumbai bigger than Pune? Is Mumbai the biggest than
The biggest in Maharashtra.
biggest in
The
Maharashtra?
biggest city in Maharashtra. Okay. Is tea hot? Tea and coffee. Is tea hot?
Tea hot? Is tea as hot a coffee?
As coffee.
Is tea hot?
As hot as coffee. Is tea hotter than coffee?
Is tea hotter than coffee? Is tea the hottest?
Hottest in the hotel.
In the hotel.
Very good. Good job. Okay, Vinayak ji. Is mobile costly? Is mobile costly? Mobile and laptop.
Yes.
Mobile and laptop. There is no word this. Now we are making some different words. Okay, we are choosing some different words. Is mobile costly?
Is mobile costly? Is mobile as costly as telephone? Is mobile costlier,
costliest.
Costliest than telephone?
Costlier.
Costlier than telephone. Is mobile costliest?
Correct. Is mobile the costliest?
Telephone.
Costliest in the shop.
In the shop.
Very good. Okay. आता दुसरं बोला. Is water clean? Water and milk. Is water clean?
Is water clean? Is water as clean as milk? Is water cleaner than milk? Cleaner than that milk? Is water cleanest in the milk? In the drinks?
In the house. In the house. Or in the drinks. Okay. Very good. Good job. Amol Bagad. Okay. Is India and Sri Lanka? Is India smart? Or is India rich? Is India rich? Is India as rich as Sri Lanka? Start. Is India rich? Start.
Is India rich? Is India rich as Sri Lanka?
Is India richer than Sri Lanka? And is India the richest country in the world? Very good. Good job. Good job. Amol Bagad, your sound is not clear and audible. Okay. Yeah. Who is left? Nachiket is done. Aman is done. Ganesh Pawar. Is maths? Is maths hard? Maths and
Hard.
Maths is hard. Maths and science.
Is maths a hard science?
Is
Okay.
maths hard?
Is maths hard? Is
Okay, now second.
maths as hard as science? Is maths hardest?
Harder than.
Is maths harder than science? Is maths hardest in the subject?
In the subjects. Very
the
good.
subject.
Very good. Good job. All right. I think everybody is over. Yuvraj ji. Okay. Is your brother rich? Brother and sister. Is your brother rich?
Is brother is richest?
No. Is your brother rich? Bola my answer. Is your brother rich?
Is your brother rich?
Is your brother as rich as your sister?
Is your brother rich as?
Is your brother as rich as your sister?
Is brother as rich as your sister?
Is your brother richer than your sister?
Is brother richer than in sister?
Is your brother the richest person in the family?
Is your brother is richest person in family?
Very good, very good. We'll do again. Why? Because many students are facing problems. So we'll practice one more round. Okay, we'll practice one more round. I will write here so everybody will make the proper questions. Okay, everybody will make the proper questions. All right. Is the singular, you know, we are using singular like is. Okay, is Sunita happy? Okay, we can use is Sunita happy? Okay, then second, is Sunita as happy as Manisha? Is Sunita as happy as Manisha? Then is Sunita, okay, is Sunita happier than? Is Sunita happier than? Is Sunita happier than Manisha? Is Sunita happier than Meenakshi? You can change any name. Sunita मीनाक्षी पेक्षा जास्त आनंदी आहे का? Okay. Is Sunita the happiest person in the city? In the city. Is Sunita the happiest person in the city? म्हणजे सुनीता सिटी मध्ये सर्वात जास्त आनंदी व्यक्ती आहे का? Is Sunita happy? म्हणजे सुनीता आनंदी आहे का? Is Sunita as happy as Manisha? सुनीता मनीषा इतकीच आनंदी आहे का? Is Sunita happier than Meenakshi? सुनीता मीनाक्षी पेक्षा जास्त आनंदी आहे का? Is Sunita the happiest person in the city? सुनीता शहरामध्ये सर्वात जास्त आनंदी व्यक्ती आहे का? ओके, Avedna, make the sentences. Avedna. Is Ankita beautiful? तर beautiful चे 4 वाक्यांतर बोला. सर्वांनी बोला. Beautiful as
beautiful as
more beautiful than the most beautiful. Okay, Avedna, make the sentences. Is Ankita beautiful?
Is Ankita beautiful? Is Ankita as beautiful as Supriya? Is Ankita
more beautiful
than Meenakshi? Is Ankita the
most beautiful
person in the
city? Okay, very good. Same. Famous as, more famous than, and the most famous. Okay. Is Narendra Modi famous? Narendra Modi and Uddhav Thackeray.
Is Narendra Modi is famous?
Is 2 वेळा आहे का तिथं पहा?
Narendra Modi famous? Is Narendra Modi as famous as Uddhav Thackeray? Is Narendra Modi
more famous than
Uddhav Thackeray? Is Narendra Modi the
most famous leader in the country? Very good. Amol Jagdale.
Yes, sir.
Is English easy? English and Marathi.
Is English easy? Is English as easy as Marathi? Is English easier than Marathi? Is English the easiest in the
language in the world? Okay. Now next. Okay. Is English difficult? Difficult चे 4 काय होणार? Difficult as, more difficult than, and the most difficult. Okay, हाँ बोला.
Okay. Sir, repeat again. You.
Maths and science क्या? Maths and science क्या? Is maths difficult?
Is maths difficult? Is math as difficult as science? Is maths more difficult than science? Is maths the most difficult
subject in the class?
In the class.
Very good. Ronak. Your mobile, okay, your mobile and my mobile. Okay. Is your mobile smart? Okay. Or Nokia and Samsung. Is Nokia smart? Start. Are you are not audible, Ronak. You are not audible, Ronak. Not audible. Okay, Aman. Is Nokia smart?
Sir, कौन सा second subject?
Is Nokia smart? And subject is, next subject is Samsung. You can select your own subject.
Okay, sir. Is Nokia smart? Is Nokia smarter than
As smart as
Samsung? Is Nokia smarter than Samsung? Is Nokia smartest mobile in India?
Okay, is Nokia modern? Modern as more modern than, and most modern.
Is Nokia modern? Is Nokia as modern as Samsung? Is Nokia is Nokia more modern than Samsung? Is Nokia most modern phone in India?
Correct. Very good. Sunita ji.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is your picture color? Is the bungalow colorful? Is your bungalow colorful and your flat?
Is your bungalow colorful? Is your bungalow as colorful as
your flat?
Your flat? Is bungalow
more colorful than
flat? Is bungalow
the most colorful?
The most colorful
in the society.
Society.
Okay. Is Ankita? Okay, bungalow only. Okay. Is bungalow famous?
Okay.
Famous as, more famous than, and the most famous.
Is bungalow famous? Is bungalow as famous as flat? Is bungalow more famous than flat? Is bungalow the most famous flat?
Okay, very good.
Okay.
Most famous in the society. Is bungalow most famous in the society? Okay, Aradhna ji.
Yes, sir.
Okay, is your brother and your sister? Your brother and your sister. Is your sister, is your brother tall? In the family last.
Okay. Is your brother
tall?
Your sister, sir? Okay.
Is your brother tall?
Okay. Is your brother tall? Is your brother as sister as
tall as your sister?
Is your brother as tall as sister? Is your brother more than?
नहीं, देखो वहां लिखा है is your brother taller than sister?
Okay.
Is your brother the tallest person in the family? पहले से स्टार्ट करो, पहले से. Is your brother tall?
Is your brother tall? Is your brother as tall as sister? Is your brother taller more than?
देखो उधर लिखा है more बेयर हो गया, कुछ नहीं लिखा है. देखो is your sister taller than your brother, or is your brother taller than your sister?
Is your brother taller than sister? Is your brother the most taller and sister?
Is your brother the tallest person in the family?
Is your brother the tallest person in the house?
Correct. Very good. Very good. Good job. Ronak.
सर मेरा आवाज आ रहा है?
आ रहा है. Okay. Is your uncle rich? Your uncle and your friend. Is your uncle rich?
Is your uncle rich? Is your uncle as rich as friend? Is your uncle richer than friend?
More नहीं आएगा. ER आएगा तो more नहीं आएगा. Is your uncle richer than your friend?
Is your uncle richer than your friend? Is your uncle the richest person in the family?
Okay, very good. Now Sunil and Anil. Is Sunil poor?
Is Sunil poor? Is Sunil as poor as sir क्या है?
Anil.
Anil. Is Sunil
poorer than?
Sir, is Sunil poorer than Manish? Is Sunil the poorest person in the family?
Very good. Good job. Amol.
Yes, sir.
Is Amol Bagad. Is Kolhapur near as nearer than and the nearest? Everybody is making the questions. सर्वांनी questions बनवायचे आहेत तरच प्रॅक्टिस होणार. This is not a listening class. This is a speaking class. Okay. Is Kolhapur near? Amol Bagad, make the questions.
Is Kolhapur near? सर आवाज येते सर?
येतोय आवाज.
Is Kolhapur near? Is Kolhapur as near as location?
As near as Belgaum.
Is Kolhapur as near as Belgaum? Is Kolhapur nearer than Belgaum? Is Kolhapur the as near as
nearest city from Pune?
Nearest city from Pune.
Okay. Is Kolhapur hot?
Is Kolhapur hot? Is Kolhapur hot? Is Kolhapur as hot as Solapur? Is Kolhapur hotter
than Solapur?
Hotter than Solapur. Is Kolhapur hottest
city
in the
Maharashtra? Okay, very good. Okay, Amol Jagdari.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is water cold? Water and coffee. Is water cold?
Is water cold? Is water as cold as coffee? Is water cooler than coffee?
Colder.
Is colder than coffee? Is water the coolest drink in
the fridge?
Hotel. Okay, in the fridge.
Okay. Next. Is Maharashtra rich? Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh. Is
Maharashtra rich? Is Maharashtra as rich as Uttar Pradesh? Is Maharashtra richer than Uttar Pradesh? Is Maharashtra the richest state in the India?
In India. Okay. Very good. Good job. Okay, Vinayak ji. Is laptop modern as more modern than and the most modern?
Is laptop modern? Is laptop as modern as mobile? Is laptop more modern than mobile? Is laptop the most modern in the mobiles or electrical?
Okay. Is Uddhav Thackeray famous? Uddhav Thackeray and Narendra Modi.
Is Uddhav Thackeray famous? Is Uddhav Thackeray as famous as Narendra Modi? Is Uddhav Thackeray more famous than Narendra Modi? Is Uddhav Thackeray the most famous in the country?
Okay. Very good. Good job. Avedna. Okay. Is your father happy? Your father, your sister.
Is father happy?
Is your father happy?
Is your father happy? Is your father as happy as
your sister?
Is your father more
happier?
Happier than sister? Is your father the happiest person in the family?
Very good. In this way, we talked about degrees of adjectives, and we are going to practice all these degrees of adjectives with formula and a lot of questions in our doubt sessions. All right. Are you enjoying?
Sir,
Are you
Yes, sir.
cheerful?